Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya Ramanathan, IAS. In this video, I'll discuss about my study timetable and study schedule. So many of you have asked in the comments like how should we go about studying each day and what my timetable was. So to put it plainly, when I was starting my full-fledged preparation after my college time, during the first 5 months, I was trying to understand the UPSC portions and syllabus, and I was in a coaching academy. So apart from going to the academy, I spent nearly 2 to 3 hours in studying the newspaper and 1 hour in revising all the portions. So this went on for about 4 to 5 months, and once I kind of grasped what the subject is and how the question paper is going to be, I started doing my own self preparation like after 6 months of coaching. So in that time, say if the prelims is going to be on June, I started my full-fledged preparation around mid-November and mostly complete preparation by around December. So every day my target was to complete at least 6 hours to a maximum of 8 hours. So I made it a point to get up early in the morning and to complete a good amount of portion in the morning. So 6 to 8 o'clock there is 2 hours where you can study considerable amount of portion. So that I did, and after a short tea break and after your breakfast, at morning 10:30 you can go for your second slot. The second slot is from 10:30 till your lunch timing, be it 12:30 or 1 o'clock. This is also a good amount of time for you to study considerably. In this time slot, I also used to do my newspaper reading, because after doing very good full-fledged studying in the morning 2 hours, our mind needs a break, so we can go for newspaper studying. So after our lunch, I start by 2:30. Many people prefer to sleep in the afternoon, but you should try to sacrifice that sleep and try to study for at least half an hour or 45 minutes. It would be a big achievement. And in 4 o'clock it will be evening snacks and evening tea, and after that some 5:30 till 8 o'clock. This is also a very productive time like the morning slot. So in this time also you can cover a considerable amount of subjects, any of the subjects. So after dinner you spend about 1 hour and you go to bed by around 11 to 11:30. So this was my study timetable and schedule, which I tried to follow very religiously. And whenever this gets very stressful, you can take a break of 2 days, watch your movies, go outside, come back, and then after 2 days you can start with your preparation. So apart from this, in a week I try to cover two subjects at max, like history or geography, 3 days each, and this will be like 50% plus time of a per day. I'll be studying history for about 4 hours, and remaining 2 to 3 hours I'll focus on other subjects. So this is how I try to complete a major portion of the subject along with touching other subjects also. Apart from this, in weekends should be allotted for your test series. So this was my typical study timetable. Thank you.